Back in 2016, Nelka Martel of Loving the Bronx started campaigning to cap the Cross Bronx, which included covering the roadway with a park on top, an idea she said sounded unachievable to many.
Every time we spoke about this, people were like, you're absolutely insane. There's no way the government is going to give you this type of money for this type of project. So yeah, we lost our marbles and here we are today.
Today, that idea is a step closer to reality with the passing of a $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill expected to be signed by President Biden very soon. Among other infrastructure commitments, this bill seeks to allocate funds for roads and bridges and for reconnecting communities. The Cap the Cross Bronx campaign now has the backing of powerful community leaders and elected officials who are vying to use some of that money to fund efforts here in the Bronx.
There is also money to rectify the legacy of environmental injustice, and probably the number one legacy in the whole city of New York is right here, the Cross Bronx Expressway. So it goes at the very, very top of our list.
Poverty is not only about the money that we have in our pockets, it's about the environment in which we live. It's about social determinants of health. And we have a historic opportunity to confront the poverty of the air that our children breathe every day in the South Bronx.
This was the original idea of members of this community that have been impacted and have been brainstorming in ways to really change this dynamic with the Cross Bronx.
Regardless if you're sitting down on a bench in Virginia Park or you're, an adult bringing your children to Virginia Playground, what you're breathing are the fumes from the pollution that's created from the trucks in the Cross Bronx. So for us, it means a lot, for Schumer and Congressman Richie Torres and Assemblywoman Karina Reyes to be out here this morning to show support.
Highway capping or decking has already been done in cities like this one in Dallas, Texas, to promote more effective use of city space and create healthier communities. According to a study led by Dr. Peter Munich of Columbia University, the Cross Bronx, conceived and built by Robert Moses, contributes to some of the highest asthma rates in the country. For students of Fannie Lou Hamer High School here in the Bronx, capping this highway means a future where kids can breathe.
Basically, we had just gathered information about what happened with Robert Moses and what he had done, and then added it to our project. And now to see that it's actually going to come to life, I feel like it's truly amazing, and it's a good opportunity, especially for the young youth in the Bronx.
This project will pay for itself. The total cap will pay for itself in terms of reduced healthcare costs and, in terms of future productivity.
Senator Schumer shared that he is confident the Bronx will receive the funding to begin studying the impact and feasibility of this project in order to finally help bring this community vision to fruition. Reporting for BronxNet, Sanji Lopez.